Hi, I'm Willow Kelly, and we're here today to talk about House Resolution 3370, the Homeowner Flood Insurance Affordability Act that was just signed into law by President Obama last week. Good news for policyholders of flood insurance. Lots of good things included in this bill. As you all are probably aware, there was the Biggert Waters Flood Insurance Reform Act of 2012 that was a game changer for us. HR 3370 stops the bleeding from the Biggert Waters Flood Insurance Reform Act, and here's what it does. First of all, you got a detached structure, you got a shed, and you were told you were required to have flood insurance on it. No longer required to have any flood insurance on a detached structure that is not a residence. Also, you can now have a deductible of up to and including $10,000 on a residential policy. Great news for those people that wanted to self-insure up to that amount. Good news for all those post-firm property owners. 80% of the policyholders in the NFIP post-firm. Flood insurance rate map, post-firm. You built to a government standard that you were told to build to, a flood map standard, base flood elevation zone. You will continue to be able to keep that zone. It stays with the structure, not the policyholder. So as long as that structure is in existence, it will continue to be paying rates based on flood map and flood zone, flood map elevation that was in place at time of construction. That's all properties. That's second homes. That's commercial properties. That is all post-firm properties will keep their grandfathering. The other good news about this, while not so good on the rate structure for pre-firm second homes, commercial properties, and severe repetitive loss properties, the good news there is, although you'll still be paying 25% more a year, the good news is that if you want to sell your property, the buyer can come in and then have the policy phased in just as you were having it phased in. So real good news across the board. This bill stops the bleeding, hemorrhaging, like I said, of Biggert Waters. So we will be reporting more on this as news available. Thanks.